And we begin this broadcast with breaking news coming in, where TVK functionaries in Thanjavur have filed a complaint with the district police against Udayanidhi Stalin for his remarks. Now, remember, yesterday the DMK was holding a protest in Thanjavur, and it was Udayanidhi Stalin who was addressing the DMK cadre there. The DMK's charge was that the TVK government has not taken a strong position when it comes to the Kaveri issue and when it comes to NEET. But if that issue was political, if that issue concerned the state, suddenly DMK cadre who were present there began chanting the names of actor Trisha. And instead of shutting them down, Udayanidhi Stalin not only did he play along, but he also made a remark that today has triggered this controversy. That remark has been caught on camera. Multiple questions are being raised. It is, Dharini is with us. Dharini, the flashpoint is getting bigger. Today, the DMK faces allegations of indulging in politics or by dragging in actor Trisha's name, making crass comments, innuendos. TVK has, lambasted the DMK, and response to this, to how today he's facing questions on the way he reportedly insulted actor Trisha.
So far, Udayanidhi Stalin himself has not reacted to this controversy yet, but there is a tweet from, former DMK minister and senior leader of the DMK, TRB Raja, in which he is calling this entire, controversy a politically motivated one. He says that Tamil Nadu's assembly session, the budget session, is going to begin tomorrow. So the TVK is manufacturing hatred towards Udayanidhi Stalin just ahead of the assembly session, so that they can prevent Udayanidhi from asking productive questions towards the TVK government, is what TRB Raja is telling at this point in time. He goes on to say, debate politics, debate policy, don't replace substance with selective fake news. That is the statement from TRB Raja. So the DMK is in fact calling this, peddled fake news by the TVK. The DMK says that Udayanidhi Stalin did not take the name of Trisha. He in fact did not take the name of any women in that particular, speech of his. In that juncture, the TVK is in fact, engineering a controversy. They are manufacturing a controversy to hide their failures.
What happened? We saw that video, and there were DMK cadre there who were chanting the names of, they started chanting the name of Trisha in a teasing manner, in a way to denigrate her, and instead of shutting them down, he also played along, and he did make a comment which today the TVK says that had a lot of innuendo. I want you to stay with us.